Okay, so the steps that we have done so far. First, we create our collage. Next, we trace that collage using blue colored pencil, and we made all adjustment and edits that we wanted. We also wrote on that page front, so we know which side is the very front. Then we flipped this over, so then we see the inverted writing up front. And we traced everything back over with our jet black extra smooth pencil. Now we are on the final step, you guys, of how we are going to transfer this onto our final project paper. So when you are ready for that final project paper, please raise your hand. I'll come check it out and give you our lovely final project paper. For this, you're going to make sure your tracing paper is put onto this final project paper with the front side facing you. Lay it on to your paper as you so desire. And next up, we don't have to be super careful with tracing it, but we really just want to apply pressure. So across the entirety of the tracing paper, we are going to go over our lines. And we're just going to be applying pressure. If you're super careful, I'm going to put my finger down. You can lift this up and you can see that this is starting to transfer onto our final project paper. So again, you're just going to go down using the pressure of the pencil to go over top all of these lines you've already created. Just be careful not to move your paper